What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here with Wood Jr. Oh man,
So, what's up?
we're here in Georgia. Like I said, he's like my neighbor now, so we are definitely gonna be riding almost all the time. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. We are off to church, and I've been dying to get in that motorcycle parking at church. I've never seen that before. And Jersey definitely doesn't have no motorcycle parking. So what's up, man?
What's up, brother?
How you
Motorcycle parking, man. Y'all know how it is. Man, respect to my guy, Barber CVO, and his wife. They haven't even touched down real good, man. I mean, they got comfortable here in Georgia, and they was like, we want to roll with you and wifey to church this morning. What? Man, my God, bro. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Support, man. Get the hat. Get the vest. He gonna probably have some undergarments next.
Thanks for supporting, man. So we got his beautiful bike here. Good little, what's her name?
Equal, bro.
Oh, man.
Yep.
She's clean.
That's equal, man.
No bugs. Cleaned her up?
Yeah, man. I try to wipe her down, man.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah,
What
this is
year?
the first time we pulling her out this week.
What year?
2020. This is a Street Glide Special.
Wow.
Yep.
And you were just in Daytona.
Yeah, I was just in Daytona yesterday, man, wifey. Yeah, man. So I haven't did all the the accessories you done yours, but I have the 16-inch handlebars, the 22-inch. What is this? These
Suicide chopper.
Yep.
With the luggage rack.
The luggage rack, exactly, bro. And you know we gotta rock the custom dynamics. Check them out, bro.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, did they hit on?
There you go. Boom. Got the Reinhardts.
There they is. Oh man, listen, bro. I don't care what people say about Reinhardts. I will always have a love for Reinhardts. Them and Vincent Hines. Vincent Hines was my first love, bro.
Oh yeah.
But Reinhardts, it's gonna have to take a company that have some thumping power to get me out of the Reinhardts.
Yes, sir.
Now my guy KROME WERKS sound pretty good, man.
Yeah.
You got the KROME WERKS guys. Your boy in the building on the KROME WERKS.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, man.
She looks beautiful.
But that's my baby.
114. Nice.
Well, now it's technically a 131. I have that 114 as a sleeper. No, I'm kidding, bro. Totally kidding. Today's Sunday. No.
Awesome. Man, he does some great videos. Check him out on YouTube. I'm going to link the link below here so you guys could check him out, man. Give him some love and support.
Fun, bro. That's all we do. I just do it for fun, man. That's it, y'all. But I appreciate y'all, bro.
All right, definitely. We will definitely be seeing a lot more videos with us, and also Robert Simmons, our boy. And, and Ross the Cross.
It rolls the cross. That's right, bro. That's right, man.
All right, so we're going to be heading out to church, and we'll see you in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, we have reached church here on Sunday with Wood. He is hyped. He is hyped.
We're about to do it.
He is hyped.
We're about to do it.
He is
We're
hyped.
about to do it.
I'm finally here at the motorcycle parking.
Yes. Yes. He said it.
Look at that.
He said it. There it is. There it is. Motorcycle parking, baby. Motorcycle parking, baby. Motorcycle parking, baby. Motorcycle.
I've never seen anywhere that they have motorcycle parking. Look at this. We got motorcycle parking.
Motorcycle parking, man, for real.
I've never seen that.
You never seen
that?
one?
Nah.
What?
Nah.
Bro.
Not for church. They'll be like, oh, park by the curb all the way over there.
Yeah. And then look at this. What we did is that there was a guy, get this right here. What he did is that when he came, he actually dropped his motorcycle parking, baby.
I see this is where's your normal spot every time?
Oh man, between here.
Because it could tell by the way it's already.
Exactly.
That one's freshly painted over there.
We try to church for bikers.
Where exactly, what church is this actually?
I have no idea. No, I'm just kidding.
You only come here every Sunday.
That's right. So this is Compassion Christian Church. I invite you guys to come out. 51 Al Henderson. Actually, it's 55, anybody?
55.
Yeah, 55 Al Henderson Boulevard, Savannah, Georgia. Y'all come out, man. This is it right here.
Every Sunday, baby.
Yes.
Here we go. We're going in. All right, guys. We just finished church. Unbelievable church. I have never experienced anything like it. I love it. It's overwhelming. The best thing I've ever done in life is coming here to Georgia and got introduced to this beautiful church by my my buddy Woods. Very positive vibes and everything like that. So now we're about to go eat, get something to eat. He's gonna take us all you can eat, and then we're gonna run into Ross to Cross, and then head over to Savannah Harley Davidson. All right, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we made it to Old Times a Barbecue. Recommendation by Wood. Yo, Wood, tell me what kind of food we got here in the South.
What's good? What's good, y'all?
Where we at?
Barber CVO fans, what's good, y'all? So we at Old Time Buffet, man. Telling you, bro, right here, all you can eat. Got to hit my guy on to the Southern cooking now, man.
Yes.
What are they? Because y'all got like, what, pizza out there in New Jersey?
Regular Italian pizza.
No, man, we about to get us to that. Oh, wow, man.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out. We're going inside.
Yeah.
Now, this is what they do in the South here. Ribs, barbecue, chicken, mashed potatoes, stuffings. Oh, man. Check out the place. Real nice. Nice food. Good stuff. What you chowing down right there? What you chowing down right there?
Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. And see, Barber CVO doing something. I'm telling y'all, man, he bringing the camera, bro. Normally, y'all don't see Wood when you get down. Y'all ain't gonna see me eat, man. You got to edit that. But, man, look, I got 2 plates because I don't like getting up a second time, bro. Pray for me.
Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Southern.
Remember, y'all pray for you, boy. Southern food right here, man. I'm telling you. Yeah. Look at this, man. And this is just
This
the
is diet,
tip of the iceberg.
Strip diet.
Yeah. yes, bro. Strict diet.
Strict diet. Look at that. Oh, nice. Whew. Can't wait. Chow down, baby.
I'm trying to get food, especially I know I'm in a terrible mood. Then they go and tell the news I'm a terrible dude. Here's what we got.
All right, guys, we have reached the destination here at Savannah Harley Davidson, and let me tell you guys a bit of surprise that I am actually going to be working here at Savannah Harley Davidson, selling bikes. So if you guys want to come down sometime this week coming up, we will be live here at Savannah Harley Davidson. So make sure you stop by, come see me, and we'll go from there. Right now, we're gonna go inside and check the situation out with my boy Wood, and yeah, here we go. All right, so here is Harley Davidson. Wow, huge place, very nice, very, very nice. I'm gonna let you guys look at it so you guys can see what it's all about.